Next we are going with memo. This is one function. If you understand, this is very easy. But if you don't understand, your program will be in segmentation fault. Yes, if segmentation fault means in exam they'll give you very big zero only. They will not consider anything if any segmentation fault is there. So be careful with this function because directly it deals with memory. Yeah. So now just one click if you understand, remaining everything is easy. Observe here, copy memory area. How many arguments this memo is having? 1, 2, 3. 3 arguments memo is having. Read once what memo was doing. What it is telling? We are copying from where? From a source location to destination. But it's not exactly copying from source to destination. What it is doing? From where you want to copy, from there onwards, it will copy to a temporary array. Directly it is not moving within the array. What it is doing? It's copying to a temporary array. From temporary array it is made available to which one? Destination. What is the difference here? In memo, if you want to copy from one source location to destination location, first the copying will happen is it copies to a temporary array internally. From temporary array it is made available in which location? In the destination. Yes. What it returns? It returns what everyone? Returns a pointer to a destination. Where is the destination location? It points to that location. Now see with the example, please listen carefully. Don't dream from here. Observe here. Tell me the string length of this 4. Is it a string, everyone? What is the string length? 4. Now what I need is, I want to move this guy out. I want to take this guy out of this. Yes, if I want to move this guy, consider this is chair. 1 chair, second, third, fourth, fifth. How many chairs I am having? 5 chairs. Now I want to make this guy out of this one. When he is out, what I need to do? I'll tell when this guy is going out, who all will come to this side, everyone? This guy will come to here. And which guy? This guy will come to this location. He will come to this location. He will come to this location, and here one vacancy will be there. Yes or no? Same thing I need to do with which one? Mem move here. What is the syntax of mem move? First one is, listen carefully. First one is source location. Second one is destination, followed by size. How many bytes you want to move? Yes. Now tell me, what is string length of str? 4. Now when I place a pointer here, consider my pointer is at this address location. Where is my pointer? My pointer is at address location 1000. Now if I check here, string length of PTR. What is the string length I'll get, Venkat? Don't tell, let him tell. String length of PTR 4. So now if I give here string length of PTR plus 1, tell me Venkat, what answer I'll be getting? 5. How? Somebody is telling 5, so you told the same answer now. I thought somebody told 5 there. Yes, somebody told, right? They will try to make you wrong. Don't trust them. See, nobody is telling any answer. Otherwise, can you hear multiple times some answer will come? Now see, nobody is telling the answer. So they are making you trouble. This is what I told. They are not your friends. Yeah, tell me. String length of PTR plus 1. 3. How 3? Tell me. How 3? Nikhil, how 3? From 1001 onwards. Understood? How to access this element with the help of pointer? This is, if I go PTR of 0 or dereference of PTR, I'll get it. Yes or no? Now see here. String length of PTR is this one. PTR plus 1 is which location, everyone? 1000. If this is PTR, what is the next location? We call it as PTR plus 1. If pointer is here, this will be PTR plus 1. That we have already seen. Now what I need to do is, if I want to memo, string length of PTR plus 1 is from here onwards. 1, 2, 3. So what I'll get here? I'll get here 3. So if I want to memo this guy, I want to move this guy out. What is the syntax of memo? What I need to mention, everyone? This is my source. This is my destination. Here you have to mention n bytes. How many bytes you want to move? Yes. But this is not the exact prototype. What is the prototype here? Source, pointer, both are pointer. Why? It is expecting address from that function call. Yes or no? Yeah. So now what I am doing here is, tell me the source location, everyone. From where? See, I want to move this guy out. Is it? So I need to tell E onwards. I want to move everybody towards forward. Yes or no? So from which location? Destination is which location, everyone? 1000. What is the source location here? 1001. From 1001, how many members? 3 or 4? 1, 2, 3. And I want to move which one? Null character also. So how many bytes I want to move, everyone? 4 bytes I want to move. Yes. So for that, tell me from where I'll get 1000. This address location 1000, who is finding? PTR. That is my destination. Now this PTR plus 1. This is the source. How many bytes? Yes. So how you will be getting 4 bytes? String length of? You cannot tell string length of PTR. Because you are not moving from here. From where? From the source onwards, you need to calculate. From the source onwards. What is the source onwards, everyone? String length of PTR plus 1. How much you will be getting? 1, 2, 3. I will get 3. But explicitly what you have to provide? 1 byte information you need to provide for which one? Null character. So what I'll be getting here? 3 plus 1, which is equal to how many bytes here? 4 bytes I need. Is this much clear? Clear, everyone? Consider this is a chair. When you go for some Annaprasadam in temple and all, you can see this kind of thing. You will be waiting, or in the marriage hall. You will keep waiting for which one? Not now. Now buffet system is there previously. I don't know whether you went like that. So when you go for this, you will wait for the chairs, right? Yes or no? So how will you wait? If this guy is going out, immediately all others will come to this location. Yes or no? See, consider here Venkat is sitting. Here Venkat is sitting, followed by how many members are there? This nickel plus 3 members plus 4 members are there, consider. So when Venkat is moving out, from where nickel will call all his friends forward. He will tell all of you come forward from here to here. Yes or no? How many members? 1, 2, 3. But string length will calculate 3 members ka calculation only. What you have to explicitly given this 1 byte you need to explicitly taken for whom? Null character. Got it everyone? Got it or not? I'll make it clear, don't worry. Now again, make sure that this concept is understood in the class only. Now consider here EM, BE, if this is STR, tell me string length of STR now. 8 or 9? 8. It will not calculate the null character here. Yes. Now you see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 null character, it will not calculate. Now if I number it as like 1001, this is 1002. Consider here, I am taking a pointer. Let's say my pointer is pointing to this location, address location 1002. If I go with pointer iteration, how to fetch this character? Dereference of PTR. Yes or no? Now, if this is PTR, next location is what? This will be PTR plus 1. Understanding everyone? Next location will be PTR plus 2, PTR plus 3, PTR plus 4, it goes. Yes or no? Now see here, what is my requirement? I want to take this guy out. Which member I want to take? I want to take this B out. Final output I am expecting is what here? EM, E, DD, ED. This is what I am expecting. If this guy want to go out from E onwards, consider E and his friends are sitting here. What E will tell? Yes, all of you come one step ahead. So how many members? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, 1, 6 members has to come forward. So what is the source? Memo is having what is the syntax everyone? Here I need to mention the destination. Here I need to mention the source. Here I need to mention n bytes here. Are you understanding everyone? Now tell me. Memo from which location? Which is the destination everyone? 1002. From where you want to bring everyone? From 1003 to 1000. So what is the source location? 1003. Along with this guy will come here. He has to come to this location. He has to come to this location. And this guy also I need to move. This is what I need. Yes or no? So when I write this, how many bytes I want to bring everyone? From where onwards? From here onwards, all these guys I want. Yes or no? So from where I'll be getting? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bytes. How many bytes I want to move? 6 bytes I need to move. But when I go with here, tell me who will give me 1002? PTR off or PTR? PTR. If PTR is 1002, next location will be what? PTR plus 1. So what is the source here? PTR plus 1. How many bytes? From source onwards, I need to calculate the string length. What is the string length of source onwards? String length of PTR plus 1. How much it is? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It will not calculate the null character. What I need to add on everyone? 1 extra bytes I need to add on for whom? This is for the null character. Understanding everyone? So that what happens in this one? So that what happened? This will be replaced with E. 1, 2, 3 members. 4 member, 5 and 6. Is it modified everyone here? Is it clear or not? Everyone clear? Clear? Now again if I draw here, I'll tell you, you have to tell me the idea. This is my string. What is the string length here? Don't take it lightly. This is one of the difficult one. Yes, string length of str. 9. What I need is, I want to cut this ECT. I want to cut this ECT so that my output I am expecting is V O R E M V. This is what I am expecting. Did they inform you once after completion of the first session? Did they inform you the next session will be immediately after 15 minutes? I think Mali might be informed to you. When you're going out or somebody, something, he did not inform to you? What they told? Informed, right? How many of you were knowing that next class will be immediately after 15 minutes? That's a common thing. You have to think that when normally the timing may be so and so. But if one session is completed, next session will be immediately after the 15 minutes of your break. That you should be keeping in mind. Okay? Yeah. So now, this is what my expected output. Now tell me how to do this. First you need to find the source location as well as the destination location. What you need to find? Consider in the next, why I am putting like this is, let's say my pointer is at this location. My pointer is at this location. Now what I need is, I want to bring all this guy. This guy have to come to which location? This location. Why O? Yeah, but O you cannot tell me. What is that? Address location is needed for the memo, right? Yes, tell me. Memo was having 3 parameters. What is that? Destination, source, and end bytes. Yes, tell me. Memo from. What is the destination, everyone? 1001. What is the source? From which location onwards? 1004 or 3? My output is which one? VO. Okay, right. So it should be then this diagram is wrong, right? Nikhil, tell me from where I need to move? Yes, from where I need to move? From 1004 I want to move. Yes. Yes, what I need to move here? O I need to move. Then followed by R. Okay. Next. 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 Now character will come and place in which location? Is it like this? Now see, draw the diagram carefully. So now tell me. Destination is which one? 1001. What is the source, everyone? 1004. How many bytes you want to move, everyone? From source onwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 1, 6. How many bytes I want to move? 6 bytes I want to move. Yes or no? Now tell me, if current location is PTR, this location will be what, everyone? PTR plus 1. This location will be what? PTR plus 2. So this location will be what? PTR plus 3. So is it my destination source, everyone? Is it my source? Yes. So which is the destination? Destination? PTR. Yes. What is the source? PTR plus 3. PTR plus 1, PTR plus 2, PTR plus 3. If I give here, what is PTR? 1001 plus 3 into 1. How much I'll be getting, everyone? 1004 I'll be getting. Understanding, everyone, why it is like this? So what I need to mention here? PTR plus 1. How many bytes, everyone? Source onwards I need to calculate PTR plus 3. Yes. Source onwards I need to calculate what? String length from here to here. Yes, tell me. String length of PTR plus 3 plus 1 to be given. Understanding the program here? Understood? What is the string length of PTR plus 3? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'll get 5, but I need to explicitly move which one? 1 for the null character. I hope the memo is clear. Now what I need is, I want to remove all the vowels. You know, in for loop I have explained to you. Now this memo makes our task very easy, that why previously this was not discussed means you should be in a grip with which one looping. Chances are there, when you remove the elements with the help of memo, interviewer may be telling you that no, you're not supposed to take which one? You're not supposed to take predefined function. So at that time you should know with the looping over there. Yes. So now if I go with here, A, listen carefully. What is the task given to you? Aeroplane is given to you. What do you need to do? You have to remove all the vowels. So what do you need to do here? I have taken a pointer. That pointer is pointing to which address location, everyone? PTR. So now what is PTR here? What is PTR? It is 1000. Yes, I want to check whether this is vowel or not. How to check? Is vowel of dereference of PTR. Is vowel of dereference of PTR. What you will be getting? You are checking here what? Whether character A is vowel or not. Is it vowel, everyone? Yes. So what do you need to do? I understood this guy is vowel. So what I need to do here? Memo. From where to where? From where to where? Yes. Can I take this diagram in the next one? This is my original string given to you. Yes. What you understood here? You understood the first character A is vowel here. You understood the first character A is vowel. So what do you need to do? You have to make this guy coming to this location. Yes or no? Yes. From where? This is which location? PTR plus 1. So memo. From where? This is my destination. This is the source. How many bytes? N bytes. When I go with here, tell me. Memo. Which is the destination here? 1000. Which is the source here? 1001. How many members? How many members, everyone? From here till here you want to bring forward. Yes? 1. 8 plus 1, 9 bytes I want to bring. I hope you are getting this concept. Now tell me. Memo from who is holding 1000? PTR. From where the source? Next location. PTR plus 1. How many bytes? String length of PTR plus 1 plus 1. I hope you understood this one. So what happened in this case? This A is changed to E, R, O, P, L, A, N, E, null character. This is what happened. Understood everyone? Here what happened? Removed one vowel. But if I increment the pointer, where is the pointer pointing now? Where is the pointer pointing? 1000 only. Pointer is still in the address location 1000. But what is the modification we changed everyone here? Who came to this location? I guess you're getting the picture how it is happening. Now here E, O, P, L, A, N, E, null character. Yes. Now you see here, if I increment the pointer, what is the task given to you? Remove all the vowels. What is the task given to you? Remove all the vowels. So when you increment the pointer, what will be happening everyone? If you increment the pointer, what will be happening? Your pointer will go to which location? Next location 1001. But are you going to miss this guy? Yes or no? So what you need to do? Whenever you performed some move operation, let's say you deleted because you are searching for all the vowels. So when you move that guy, the next location guy can also be which one? Vowel only. So now currently PTR is which one? Address location 1000. What you need to do everyone? Just decrement the pointer once. Whenever you perform the move, just decrement the pointer. So this pointer will come out of this array boundary. Once the loop is iterating, again what will be happening everyone? Pointer increment will happen. Yes or no? So pointer is at this location. Whenever you performed any memo, what you need to do? Just decrement the pointer once. Whenever you perform the memo, just decrement the pointer once. Why? Consider here, I'm just taking the example here. 1, 2, this is my contents. This is my string. So consider my first content is which one? First character is vowel. So I want to move this guy out. When I want to move this guy from Sai onwards, how many members I'll bring? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 1 what? Null character. So who will come to this location? Consider here, this first Sai will come to this location, followed by whom? Nikhil will come to this location. I don't know his name. Venkat will come to this location. That Specs will come to next location. Immediately who will come? Null character will come. But the problem is, where is my pointer? Yes, when I move this one, when I remember now who is in this location? Sai. Sai is also a vowel. Consider Sai is also a vowel. If I increment this one, I will not consider this Sai again. What is to be done? When you memoed one content, let's say this is vowel you understood, you memoed. But who knows the next coming person to this location may be which one? Same vowel. So you should not miss this guy. So what you need to do? Whenever you are telling others to come to this side, so that just person who came to this location can also be the same vowel what you are searching for. So what you need to do? Just decrement the pointer once. So decrement, it will come out to the next location. When the loop is iterating, automatically what will happen? Your pointer will be again incremented. Now my pointer is here. Again my pointer incremented means I'll come to which location? This location only. So again what I'm checking? I'm checking with the person who came to which location? The newly created location. Is this clear to everyone? Yes or no? Now what I decremented? Pointer decremented. When I decremented the pointer will come out of this array location. Again if I increment, where the pointer will come and point to? Pointer will come and point to again address location 1000. So now again what is pointer now? Pointer is at address location 1000. I am checking is vowel of, what is that? Dereference of PTR. What is that everyone? Is vowel of character E. Is it vowel everyone? Yes. Tell me from where to where I want to memo. 1000 is the destination. How many bytes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Only one null character I need to go over that. So what I need to mention here? 8 bytes. From where I'll get this 1000? PTR. Destination is my PTR. What is the source here? Yes, if this is PTR, next location will be what? PTR plus 1. So what I need to give here? PTR plus 1. How many bytes everyone? 8 bytes. From where I'll be getting? Source onwards. What is the source here? String length of PTR plus 1. How much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 plus 1. Understanding everyone here? I hope it is clear. Now what happened in this diagram? How the changes will happen? In the place of E, who will come everyone? R will come. Okay? Who is going to be out here? This E is going to be out. R O P L A N E null character. Got it, I guess? I have performed a memo. Chances are there the next person who is coming to this location can be which one? Same person only. So what I will be doing? Whenever you perform that memo, decrement the pointer inside this. Again what will be happening? Pointer will be again coming to which address location here? This location. Understood everyone here? Now see, where is the pointer now? Where is pointer? PTR is at which address location now? 1000. Now what I am checking? Is vowel of dereference of PTR. What are you checking here? Is vowel of R. Is it vowel? No. Nothing will happen. So what I need to do? If it is not vowel, what I need to do? I have to increment the pointer. Decrementing the pointer will happen only if you perform memo. So where the pointer will come and stay to? Here onwards you will get the clarity. Yes. Which address location everyone? Address location 1001. Where is PTR now? 1001. So now what I am checking here? Is vowel of dereference of PTR. So what is this here? Is vowel of which character? Oh, is it vowel everyone? Yes. Now what you need to memo? This person you want to memo. So that who should come to this location? P should come here. Then L should come here. A should come here. N should come here. E null character should come here. Remaining everybody is there in that, but I am not bothered. Yes. How many bytes? This is my PTR now, right? Yes. Tell me, move from which location? Destination is 1001, which is a source everyone? 1002. How many bytes? 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 1, 6 bytes I want to move. I guess you are getting this? Yes, tell me. Memo. From where I'll get 1001? PTR. If PTR is 1001, next location is dreaming, then thinking. Okay, now tell me, what is the next location? Next location? PTR plus 1. Don't like programming? You like programming? Yeah, tell me from how many bytes I want to go? 6 bytes. How I'll get 6 bytes? strlen of PTR plus 1, right? Okay, so you are thinking how it is working. Nice. Yeah. It's okay, I'm happy that you're giving the answer, right? Yeah. String length of PTR plus 1. What is the string length I'll be getting? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 plus 1, how many bytes everyone? 6 bytes. Why this 1 is given? For the null character. I hope it is clear. Now if I move here, what happened? What is the newly created memory location? What happened here? Who moves to this location? RP. Who came to this location? P. As I told you, whenever I have performed memo, not to miss the next person, I'll decrement which one? PTR. Currently PTR was at this location. P, L, A, N, E, null character. Where is the PTR now? 1001. What I need to decrement? What I need to decrement, everyone? PTR to be decremented. If I decrement the PTR, what happened? My pointer will come to which location, everyone? 1000. So now once the loop iterates, what I'll be having? PTR will be incremented again. So again my PTR will reach to which location, everyone? Address location 1001. Are you understanding this much, everyone? I hope it is clear to everyone. Yes, tell me. Memo is one of the difficult one. Chances are there to get my segmentation fault. Stop talking in the class. No more murmuring is in the class. If you don't understand, ask to me, I'll repeat it. Without understanding the program, your control part will be very easy, very difficult for you. So please concentrate on which one? Programming. Their programming is all same like C program only. Only thing is you should be able to understand how to access the registers, what are those registers, how to configure the pins. Remaining all coding with which one? Same C program only. I mean, coding logic is whatever you learned in the C only will come there. But you have to use with which one? Registers, whatever it is. Yeah. So when I go for here, how is the first session? First session will be little theory, it will go right. We know we are allergic to which one? Theory, everybody. But without understanding the theory, we will not understand what is the controllers, right? Yeah. So try to learn the which one. Try to make a habit to read the data sheet properly. Because here you will be studying LPC 2129 or 2128, anything. But when you go to company, you will not get that controller. Maybe you will get AVR microcontroller, or maybe you will be getting STM32 controllers. But everything is same only. What is the difference? Data sheet varies. Let's say here you have port 4, there are four ports. I mean, how many are there? 4 ports here. How many are there? 4. Maybe in another thing, maybe 3 only you will be using. Maybe 5 ports will be there. Like that, some variations will be there. So make sure that what is mandatory, you have to read. Yeah. What is to be read? Data sheet. Then make sure that the architecture to be read properly. What is the architecture of ARM? How many ports are there? What are the protocols? What are the peripherals? All those things you should read. Yeah, come back to this one. Percentile, yes, comma, what is that? STR. If you know the programming here, that part will be easy. Initial 1 week will be difficult for you because you need to learn about the registers, how to access, all those things. Remaining afterwards, it will be very easy for you. Yeah? Yes. So I'm just giving here what AERO, PLA and if I'm giving. I'm just taking a pointer. Charstr PTR is equal to STR. So I'm just going for yes. While of dereference of PTR, which is not equal to null character. I'm just checking whether is vowel of, I'm using predefined function, dereference of PTR. If it is true value, I'll come inside. Tell me what I need to do. Memo. From where to where? Memo of, yes. Destination is PTR. PTR plus 1. String length of PTR plus 1. plus 1. As of now, I am not doing anything here. PTR plus plus. Wait, that will come with that. First, let's see why we are going for that method. Yes. Now, if I am printing here, test of str. What are you expecting, everyone here? Test of str. What are you expecting? R, P, L, N. Yes or no? All the vowels I am eliminating. This is what I am expecting here. But will I get this output? We will not get. Why? Some characters will be skipped here. Because whenever I am moving, I am not considering that fellow again. Yes? I'll show you. Okay, each vowel we need to write. What kind of error is this one? Is it compile time or runtime error? Runtime error, who's telling that? It is what type of error? Compile time. Who's giving this error? Linker. Yes. So what linker is telling? Kripa, you are using each vowel. But where did you define that? It's not predefined function. So give me the definition. So I'm just writing here. Okay, to make the linker happy, I'm just telling, don't worry, I'll give it. Is vowel of, yes, char, ch. I'm just sending one character. You can go with if condition. I'm just going for which one? Switch. Switch of ch. Anything you can write here. If condition true, you can go anything. Case of A. You have to check for, in some cases you need to check for capital letters also. I'm just giving only small letters. If any of this case is matching, return 1. Else what I need to return? Return 0. Is it your assessment schedules given? From tomorrow onwards, any date they'll keep it. So be ready. Enter the strings. Aeroplane if I give. Understanding everyone? That E, when I memo A, the next person coming is what? E. When I increment the pointer, that E is not tested again. Understanding everyone why I am going for that? So what is needed? Whenever the next person who is coming to this location can be the same vowel you are testing for. So what you need to do? Whenever you are moving, just decrement the pointer one side backward. Once the loop is iterated again, what will be happening here? Pointer will be incremented here. Is this clear to everyone? Clear? R-P-L-N. Understood, I guess? Is it memo clear to everyone? Now this memo what I've written, can I call it as a function, everyone? Instead of doing the task in the main function, can I call a function called as remove vowel? Can I call a function called as, which function I'm calling here? Remove vowel. And I'm passing what here? str. Yes? Array passing means what? Address passing. So what I'm doing here? Void remove vowel. Yes. What I need to do here? Char star ptr. Remaining all operations are same. Yes or no? Understood everyone? Any confusion here? Call by reference is happening. Any confusion? Anybody, any confusion? No, I guess. So now, where I need to print here? I need to print f input s of str. So what are we getting here? RPLN. If any error is there, we'll make it. So I need to write the declaration above the main. So you have to write it properly. RPLN. If I give the another input as vector, VCTR. I hope it is clear to everyone. Now what I need is write a program. That's a task for you. Same, I removed all the vowels. Now what I need is, I want you to remove alternate vowels. Write a program to remove alternate vowels in the given string. So what is the change I have to give there? It's hardly a matter of which one. Count only, right? Yes. So if I give here embedded, what is the output I am expecting, everyone? Tell me. E if I remove M, B, E. Got it? Yes or no? Oh, not star, right? Removing, right? Okay, so another question we got now, right? Hide and remove alternate occurrences of which one? Vowel. So first occurrence removing, second occurrence is hiding, like that. So when I go with your AERO PLANE VEC, if I give, what is the input output I am expecting here? Output I am expecting is A if I remove, A I will hide, E I will remove. All these are the vowels in this one, right? So first I will remove A, I mean hided, E removed, R, O hided, P, L, R removed, N, this is the output I am expecting. It's hardly a matter of which one count. Yes? Now you see here. If I go with here, observe. If I make here, now you have to tell me, if I make here dereference of PTR is equal to star, what happened? Wherever vowels are there, it is replaced with which one? Star. Yeah. So now if I give here, I am getting the output here. Wherever I found, I have made that location with what one? Character star. But I don't want to use this dereference of PTR. What I need a function to hide this. I need a predefined functions to hide. So how? For that, we can go with one more function called as memset. What is the function, everyone? Memset. That is also directly dealing with which one, everyone? Memory. Why I am teaching this one? Because sometimes interview will be telling you don't use predefined function. So at that time you should understand. So what is this program about? This is hide all vowels. Now here I went directly, I access that member and I have activated what I activated there, star I activated. Now here you can see here, observe everyone. Instead of doing this dereference of DTR here, what I am doing here is mem set. Mem set. Let's say I found A means which address location? 1000. What is the address location? 1000. Who will be pointing there? That PTR will be pointing there. I want to hide with 1 byte. Here in the second argument, you need to provide only 1 byte of the character. You have to provide character here mandatory. How many bytes everyone? 1 byte of the character you need to give. So now, you need to mention how many bytes. I want to hide only 1 byte here. Yes? How many bytes I want to hide here? Just 1 character. From 1000, let's say my pointer is pointing here. I understood this is a vowel. Hide that location. What is the hide location? PTR. I need to hide with which character everyone? Star. How many bytes you want to hide? 1 byte. Instead of 1, if you put there 2, what happened? Address location is 1000. 1000 onwards. How many bytes you want to hide? 2 bytes. 1 and 2. And you want to hide with which character here? Star you want to hide. So what is this function about everyone? It is mem set. Is it doing the same task here? So what is the function used for? We have used mem set and it is a very simple function here. I'll show you the syntax of which one, prototype of which one? Mem set. What is the function everyone? Man page of mem set. Fill memory with a constant byte. 1 byte hiding character you need to provide there. What it is doing? It fills the first n byte with which one? Which one a particular character you are mentioning with. Now see here. What is memset doing? Fill the memory with a constant byte. How many arguments it is having? 3 arguments it is having. What is the first argument everyone? Source location. I mean the address I need to provide where you want to hide. Now here, int means here it is expecting character. A means internally it is stored as what? 65. Yes, and how many bytes? Now if I take the example here, please don't talk. A, E, R, O, P. Let's say if this address location is 1000. Where is the pointer pointing to? 1000. I want to hide this with a character. So which is that I need to provide the first address location as what? Mem set of. Yes, tell me which is the address location? 1000. Yes. What do you want to hide with? Character you need to provide here. What do you need to provide here? Char to be provided. Character to be provided. I'm just giving here star. You can give at the rate. Any simple you can give. How many bytes you want to hide everyone? 1 byte only you want to hide. So what I'm telling here? 1. So what happened here? 1000 means which location everyone? PTR is pointing. PTR comma. I'm hiding with what here? Star. How many bytes? 1 byte. So this byte will be changed to which one? Got it? Clear or not? How to do the mem set? If I put here 3. If I go with here, observe, in the same explanation, if I go with here, instead of 2, what I am mentioning here? 3. Instead of 2, if I mention here 3, what happened? 1. Address location is which one? 1000. 1000 onwards, how many bytes they will be hiding here? 3 bytes he will be hiding. Understanding here everyone? I hope it is clear. If I write here A, wait, will come. This is 65. Yes. Now, tell me. ASCII character. Whatever if you give there, if you give here A here, what is that internally it is stored as 65. So you have to give the character over it. Accepting with the character, numeric character 2, like that you have to give there. Any character data you have to give there as the argument in the second part. Even if you give A, what it is stored in the memory? 65, 1 byte integer. That's the reason they have specifically mentioned it as what? Int. Here. I hope mem set is clear to everyone. Yes. Now task for you is task needed, right? To make the simple code I'll give you to make you comfortable with which one? Memo syntax. Yeah. Task. Write a program to remove all non-alphabets. Remove all non-alphabets. What is non-alphabets means?
किती लेक्चर आहे सर लेक्चर आहे सर 1 तास.
What is the output I'm expecting, everyone? Removing is different, printing is different. What am I expecting? Got it? Next task. All alphabets to be removed. So if I give the same input here, what are we getting, everyone? Yes, I'll expect here $123 with dollar. Clear? What do you need to do? Use. This is given to be familiarized with which one? Memo concept. Yeah. Same program. Write a program to remove all duplicates. There we have done with looping. Yes. Remove all. If I give the input as, so what is the output I am expecting? EMBD. Use which one? Memo to remove. Clear, I guess? Clear, everyone? Next I am going for strchr. What I am going with? strchr. What is strchr means? You know how to search for a character in the given string? Yes, I am just telling in a given string search for a character E. You know how to search character by character, you need to search. Same way, man page of which one? strchr. So what is strchr is used, everyone? Listen carefully. What is this 3 indicating here in the manual? What is that it is? It is a library function. Library function. When you see here 2, you can call it as what? System call. This you will study in which one? In the Linux. Okay. How many arguments I'm having, everyone? 2 arguments. One, it is expecting address. Another one is int means what? It is expecting a character here. What it is going to do? It is going to locate a character in the given string. Searching for a character in the given string. Who is doing this task? Who is doing, everyone? strchr is doing. What strchr is doing? Searches for a strchr returns a pointer to the first occurrence of the character in the given string. What it is telling? It searches for the first occurrence of the character. Now let's see here. If I give here embedded, this one, I'm just giving here embedded em dd dd ed. Got it? If I give here yes, this is a string I have given to you. What is my requirement is search for which character, everyone? Search for the character D. What character it has to search for? Yes. What strchr will do? It searches for that particular character in the given string. And what it is searching for? Only the first occurrence of the given character. What it is going to do? It is going to search for the first occurrence of the given character. So now see here. Let's say I'm just taking a pointer. What is the pointer I'm taking here? PTR. What is the pointer I'm taking? PTR. So how to make the pointer pointing to that string? Tell me. charstr PTR is equal to what I'm giving, everyone? STR. Is it pointing to the first occurrence of that base address? Yes. Now what I need to search call here? strchr of, I need to provide this base location here. Who is pointing there? PTR is pointing. What is the base location I'm giving here? 1000. What I need to search for, everyone? I need to search for the first occurrence of the character. What I need to search for? First occurrence of the character. Now see, PTR is at which location? Yes, PTR starts from which location? 1000. From 1000 it search for, is it D? No. Is it D? No. Is it D? No. Is it D? No. Where it is finding D, everyone? Here it is finding D. Where it is finding D? At address location. Which address location, everyone? 1004. And what it returns? strchr is returning the address of the first occurrence of the character if it is found. Who is capable of holding the address? Pointer is capable of holding the address. Now this pointer, it was initially pointing to 1000. Now what it is pointing to, everyone? 1004. Now my pointer starts pointing to which address location, everyone? 1004. So found at which address location? That character D found at which address location? 1004. Understanding, everyone here? Understood, everyone? What strchr is doing? For strchr I told this is my given string. So the base address is this location. You start searching for a character, which one? D. So strchr checking, is it D? No. It will go to next location. Is it D? No. It will go to next location. Is it D? No. Again it will go to next location. Is it D? No. When it reaches here, yes, it is finding the character which I am searching for. This can be multiple time occurring, but it is not bothered. It searches for only the first occurrence of the given character. If found, what it returns, everyone? Address of that location where the character is found. So what it is returning here? 1004. When it returns 1004, what happened? Who will be collecting? Pointer. Now this pointer stops pointing from this location where it is pointing to 1004. So now I want to tell it is found at address index location 4. How? Found at 1004. How to write index location? Can I write 1004 minus 1000, everyone? Yes. So what is 1004? PTR minus STR. Understand, everyone? STR is the name of that array what I have given str. That array name indicates what? Address only. Yes or no? Now ptr minus str. What if that character is Venkat? Sleepy nicely. So what I explained just now. What it is founding? What it found now? PTR. How PTR is finding this one? Now which function we are explaining? strcmp, right? strcmp, yeah. What strcmp is doing? strcmp starts from here? No. Which is this function I'm explaining? Guys, which is the function I'm explaining? So proof no, he has slept. Yes. Ecstasy, Nikhil is also not helping you. Yeah. So now, what if that character is not there, everyone? If the character is not found, what it returns? Null will be returned. So always you should check what is it ptr is holding null or not. If ptr is equal to null, what I need to write, everyone? Printf character not found. Else what I need to do? Else what I need to write, everyone? Found at which location? Found at ptr minus str. What is ptr? 1004 minus 1000. How much it is, everyone? 4. Index location 4. Is it this much clear to everyone? Is it clear to everyone? No discussion, please. Observe here. I am asking the user to enter the. What I am asking, everyone? I am asking the user, please enter the string here. Yes, observe. Enter the string. When I go with your scanf percentile s comma str. So I'm just taking a point. I'm asking the user printf enter the char to search. Enter the char to search. So what I'm doing here, scanf percentile c comma address of ch. So what I'm giving here is, I'm just giving the input as aeroplane. What is the, I'm just telling it to ask search for which one? E. I'm asking in aeroplane, you please search for a character called as which one? E. Yes. So now what I'm taking here is, let me take a pointer. Char star ptr is equal to str. Yes. Now I'm calling ptr is equal to str chr of ptr comma. What am I searching for? I'm searching for the character. Okay, ch. Which character I'm searching for? Any character? E. What I need to search, everyone? If my ptr is equal to null, what is the meaning of that? Printf char not found or percentile c not found. You can write anything. Else what I need to write, everyone? Else I need to write in which index it is found, everyone, now? Of E. Yes, printf found at percentile d current location minus base location. Base location is followed by str. So shall we test this one? Percentile ld to be given over there. Enter the string aeroplane. Which character? Is it error was there? Syntax error was there? Somewhere error was there. are declared. Previous a dot out was compiled there. Enter the string aeroplane. So character I did not scan it. Scanf was not accepting. Okay, let me give here. I'm just clearing the buffer using which one? Hyphen F purge. I mean F purge std. Underscore, right? Enter the string aeroplane. Which character I'm searching for? E. Found at which index? 1. It will be telling found at index location 1. PTR will be at 1001. For example, 1001 minus base location 1000. So is it giving me at 1, everyone? Yes or no? Now you give me an input. Let's test. Give me an input. Huh? I mean, where is the input? Embedded, okay. Embedded aeroplane. Okay. Which character you want? C. C. Okay. Character not found. Next one. I mean input. What? Okay, Bhargav. Searching for G. Which index location? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Is it giving it 4, everyone? Yes or no? So now, I want you to implement which one? User defined strchr. What is the function I've used here? strchr. Now I want to implement which one, everyone? My str. What is the function I'm using? My strchr. Tell me. I'm just calling a function called as my strchr of. I'm passing the base address location str comma. Which character I'm passing, everyone? ch. Tell me, by looking at that, tell me how to write the syntax of my strchr. Name of the function is my strchr. Yes. There is a string aeroplane. So what I need to accept with? Charstr ptr. It's like charstr ptr is equal to str. Next argument. Char ch. Now. Now what happened here? I need to iterate till the end of the string here. How to iterate? While of dereference of ptr not equal to which one, everyone? Not equal to null character. If it is true, what I need to do? I need to check what, everyone? Character is matching or not. Yes. So now which character? If dereference of ptr is equal to which character, everyone? ch. Are you guys understanding this one? Yes or no? If it is matching, do I need to think about the remaining part? No. So what I need to return here, everyone? Return that address. Who is holding? Return what? Return ptr. If not matching, what I need to increment? ptr to be incremented. So what I need to return here? Return if not found. What I need to return, everyone? Null to be returned. Understanding, everyone here? I'll draw the diagram so that we'll get the clarity. So what is the return type here? Address you are returning. So So what I need to write here? String address, right? Particular. So what I am passing here? Address of location. So what I need to make it here? Charstr. I think I did not declare the pointer, right? Remaining everything is right, I guess. Enter the string. If I give here embedded, I got scared. So what is that? Enter the character to search for. What is that? Embedded. What do you want to search for? B. Okay. Found at which index location? What it will be returning now? Which consider the base location is 1000. Yes. Consider the base location is 1000. What it will return? 1002 will be returned. So where is the 1002? B the location. So 1002 minus 1000. What it will be giving me? Found at index location 2. Got it, everyone? Observe here. What we are implementing? Consider here. I am having now silence, please. This is the string I am having. Stop talking. Like this it goes on. This is in whose stack frame? This is in the main stack frame. Yes or no, everyone? So which function you are calling? My strchr. What are you calling here? My strchr. What are you passing? str. Str means what are you passing, everyone? Address 1000. And what are you passing the character as here? E. So how many arguments they are accepting with? This they are accepting with which one? They are accepting with which one, everyone? Pointer. So that who is pointing there? A pointer called as PTR, which is pointing to which address location, everyone? Address location 1000. And what is the character we are searching for? Character we are searching for is B. Which character? B. Yes. How long I need to search? If I want to search in this class who is Bhargav, I don't know who is Bhargav. So what I need to do? I need girls that I don't want. Consider everybody is saying. I need to search this complete people in this classroom. Then only I'll understand who is Bhargav. Maybe Bhargav is in the last dead end corner. Yes or no? I don't know where is Bhargav sitting. Who is Bhargav? Okay. So mask. But still I don't know where that person is there. I need to iterate the complete loop. So how long? While of dereference of PTR is not equal to null character. Now E. I am checking what, everyone? Is it dereference of PTR is equal to which character? B. Is it matching, everyone? Is it E matching with B here? No. Now I'll increment the pointer to which address location? 1001. Now I'm checking dereference of PTR. Is it equal to which one? B. What is dereference of PTR? M equal to B. No. Again I'll increment the pointer to which location? 1002. When I increment here, what is this one, everyone? Dereference of PTR. What is PTR now? What is PTR? Huh? 1002. I am fetching the data from that location. Is it equal to B, everyone? Yes. Is it found or not? Found, everyone? So what you need to return? Address you are returning. Whose address? 1002 you need to return. How you will be returning, everyone? Return what? Return PTR. When a return is found, automatically control pass to which one? To the calling function. So what are you returning here? 1002 you are returning. When control passing is happening, who is accessing here, everyone? There is one more pointer called as PTR. Once the control return happens, whose stack frame is collapsed? Whose stack frame is collapsed, everyone? Second function stack frame collapse. Now here what I am having, everyone? I am having a pointer called as PTR. This pointer is pointing to which address location? Address location 1002. Clear, everyone? Clear, I guess? Any doubt here? What if character, I am searching for a character K. What happened here? How? PTR jumped from 1002 to 1003. Is it found? No. 1004. Is it found? No. 1005. Not 5. 1006. 1007. When it becomes null character, what is happening? Loop terminates. If loop is terminating, what happened, everyone? No return happens. If loop is terminating, no return happens. So what will be happening here? Null will be returned. Understanding, everyone here? Null will be returned. Any confusion in this program? Any confusion in this program? No. Did you complete finding the first vowel, last vowel? Everyone found that? Yes or no? Now what I need is remaining part, let's see in the next session. Yeah? Try to do. Tomorrow I'll give you short introduction to which one? Storage class actually. Okay? So some of the programs we have done with arrays and strings. So now tomorrow I'll deal with which one? Storage class introduction. In 2 days it will be completed. Okay? What was the question he asked? Strong simple, weak simple. It will be covered for you.
वाह अंदमानचं पुस्तक घेऊ त्याच्याकडून 4-5 पुस्तक घेऊन आपण सही केली मी की माझी केली मी केली असते आले असते का अरे काहीच नाही शहरच मारलं त्याला बॉन्डिंग केली